Place the ePDL Plus drive on a flat work surface with the screen and propeller facing upward. Remove the drive thwart tube from the cockpit and set it aside. Loosen the 2 thumb screws on the ePDL Plus drive without removing them, and insert the thwart tube into one end, sliding it through till it's centered. Place the drive with the thwart tube into the thwart channel on your kayak. Lock the drive into place with the half-moon shaped lock knobs. Check if the drive is in the center of the thwart tube. Tighten the thumb screws down and ensure the bolts remain recessed on the opposite side of the thumb screw. Connect the ePDL Plus power cable to the drive and the connection port located toward the bow's circular hatch. Ensure the connections are tight and fully seated. For additional support or to reference the complete user manual for your kayak, visit our website at oldtownwatercraft.com.